Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is Wednesday, so of course we're going to do Take a Stitch Tuesday. Today is, this is week 7. It's hard to believe it's already week 7. We're going to do a seed stitch. So I did a running stitch here across the top of my piece, and I'm just going to fill in this little area here with seed stitch. It's basically just little stitches, little straight stitches, and you can either stab stitch back and forth if you'd like, which means you go down and pull through and then go back up and pull through. When you're new to this one, it might be easier to do that way, but I like to do I think it's called the sewing method, where you just go down and then back up. But you have to make sure that you're doing it randomly. Because it's supposed to look like a bunch of little seeds sitting around doing nothing. This stitch creates wonderful texture if you have, if you use like batting as your backing, or felt or something that makes it sort of padded. And this can make like a wonderful little texture. And that is Seed Stitch for Take a Stitch Tuesday. Thanks for watching.